What's up, Brent from Brenspeed? It's 3-valve Wednesday. Today we're going to watch a dyno pull on this 05 GT 3-valve laying down over 600 rural horsepower. This is one of our YouTube subscribers' car. He's been coming here for years. He's built this car in steps. We're going to talk about it. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notify us. Hey, today have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, so it's a manual transmission running 93 octane. We're going to talk about the mods, but a few things. You want an install like this, you simply email quote@brenspeed.com. What's it cost to get installed? And I will put links in the description of all the parts I'm going to talk about, so you'll hear a lot more about it. What's this baby have? So this was built in steps, and I love that. About, I'd say 4 years ago, he bought our Novi 2200 turnkey supercharger package. We ship this out. We can install them here. So this kit comes with larger fuel injectors, a fuel pump upgrade, you get the 2200, you get colder spark plugs in the proper tune. And that's how it started. He ran this on the stock engine. And he came back, I want more power. We did our B302 stroker engine. So you might wonder what that engine is. It's not an engine we mail order. We only install them here. Link in that description. Essentially, it's a stroker, 4.6 3-valve, stroker crank, upgraded rods, pistons, badass engine. He's got the Ford Racing manifold and the Ford Racing throttle body, Cook's long tube headers. So this time it came back. This was making like 550 before. And he goes, I want more. We did a set of stage 3 ported cylinder heads and a set of 600 series big boy Lopi idle comp camshafts. That's how we got over 600 of the tires. Check out this dyno pull. All right, we're gonna check out these numbers, but again, 05 GT, manual training, 93 octane. Look at this, 610 row horsepower, peaking at 6,400 RPM, 519 row torque, peaking at 5,700, and I love this. Look, boost is only 10.6, laying down over 600 of the tires, DynoJet, SAE, smoothing 5, smooth graph. We're gonna talk about what would you do next to a car like this. So I love cars being built in steps. You know, a lot of clients send cars here, they do everything at one time, but you know what? That's not realistic for a lot of people. So what we did on this one right here, mail ordered the blower, did the built engine, came back, did the ported cylinder heads, the 600 series camshafts, love the low, manual training, still got the stock trans. So what would you do next if you're building a car like this right here? What I would do if it was me, 6-speed Magnum transmission, I'd put that next on my list. And when it came back for that, I would add some more boost. So we're at 10.6 right now. I'd at least run 93 pump gas, throw 2-3 more pounds in it, get that number over, 650 or higher, and a set of larger fuel injectors, because we're a little limited on that right now. But that's it. Badass car. I love it. Again, questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer. We're located in Indiana, and open that description. I will put links to the parts we talked about. We typically have them in stock. We can ship it to your door, or you can come here for a built engine. Thanks for watching.